When you launch Storyline 360, you will see an intro slide and an intro scene. So what is a scene and how is that different from a slide? One way to think about it is that a scene can be a collection of slides. Now I'm saying that, but a scene can also just be one slide, right? And to add a new scene, you can right click and click new scene. You can also click this button in the home tab for a new scene. And this flag here means that this is the starting scene. So when you start your quote unquote slideshow, it will start with this scene. And then you can change that. You can make this the starting scene um, by just clicking on the scene and clicking starting scene. So now it's changed. And scenes are typically best used to organize slides. So if you have a complicated project, then it will be very helpful if you planned out how you're going to leverage scenes. That will make your life much easier. And especially if you're jumping in between slides and scenes. So having some kind of plan makes a lot of sense. So for example, I worked on a project with 9 different scenes. There was a central scene that was basically the menu with all the topics, and there were 8 topics in total, and then I had a scene dedicated to each of the topics. And then each scene had various number of slides. Some had 4, some had 2, some had 8. And they would keep, as a person would complete a topic, it would jump back to the main scene, and then it would show on the main scene that they completed that topic. So just something to think about as you start using Storyline 360.